you suddenly lose access to your WhatsApp or your friends start receiving strange messages from your number, don't panic. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to recover your hacked WhatsApp account quickly and safely. You're watching True Vibes Media. If you love helpful tech guides like this, please subscribe, like, and share this video so others can stay protected. Let's begin. If your WhatsApp has been hacked, you'll likely notice signs such as being logged out unexpectedly. You may receive a message like, "This phone number is no longer registered with WhatsApp on this phone," or something like, "You've been logged out." Once you notice any of these, act immediately. The first thing you need to do is try to log back into your WhatsApp account. Open WhatsApp on the phone that has your SIM card, enter your phone number, and WhatsApp will send you a 6-digit verification code through SMS. If the SIM card is already in the phone, it may automatically verify your number. Once you successfully log in, the hacker will automatically be logged out because WhatsApp allows only one active device per number at a time. Very important. Never share your verification code with anyone, even if they claim to be from WhatsApp. That's how most accounts get hacked. Once you regain access, the next step is to secure your account. Go to Settings, tap Account, then tap Two-Step Verification and enable it. Create a 6-digit PIN and add an email address. This extra protection prevents hackers from logging into your account again, even if they somehow get your verification code in the future. As you can see on the screen, my two-step verification is enabled and my email address has been successfully verified. This means no one can log back into your WhatsApp. If they try again, WhatsApp will no longer send the verification code to your SIM card, but instead require verification through your email address, just like what you're seeing here, where it asks for a code from the email. But what if you cannot log in because the hacker has already set their own two-step verification PIN? Don't worry, you simply need to wait 7 days. After 7 days, WhatsApp will allow you to log in again without that PIN and without the email verification code, as long as you still have access to your phone number. During this time, do not keep reinstalling WhatsApp and don't panic. If you're completely locked out or your account is being misused, contact WhatsApp support immediately. Send an email to support@whatsapp.com using the same email address you previously linked. Tell them your WhatsApp account has been hacked and you want it deactivated. Make sure to include your phone number in full international format, for example, +234 if you're in Nigeria, +1 if you're in the USA, or +44 if you're in the UK, depending on your country. Once it is deactivated, the hacker will no longer be able to use your account and WhatsApp will prompt you to verify it again. Next, secure your SIM card and your phone. Sometimes hackers gain access through SIM swapping or weak phone security. Contact your network provider if you suspect same issues. Enable SIM lock in your phone settings, use a strong phone password, and avoid clicking suspicious links. Also, check WhatsApp web. Go to Settings, then Link Devices and log out of any unknown devices.